Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how in DaVinci Resolve we can copy the animation keyframes from one clip to another one to effectively copy the animation over. So in the timeline you might notice here that I have a lot of these little dots appearing here. So those are actually the animation keyframes which I've set for this clip over in the inspector. So one at a time, you mark a place red, and you change the value, and that's how you get your animations. Currently, it looks something like this. And we want to copy that animation over to a new clip for this third girl. So in order to do that, we need to select all of the keyframes from this clip. So if you haven't already, on each clip where you have animation keyframes, there's going to be this little button over here, which looks a lot like the keyframing diamond that you see over in the inspector. And when you click on that, it will show you all of the keyframes available inside of that clip. So what we want to do is go to the first keyframe that we're going to be copying, select all of these keyframes so that they turn red, hit Control C, and now we go over to a new clip where we want to copy it to. So if we want these two clips to line up identically, then we have to copy these keyframes from and at the exact same time in both clips. So if I go up here, I do not change the position in the timeline. I simply select these keyframes from the bottom clip. I hit Control C to copy them. I go up to the new clip and I hit Control V to paste them in. So now it's going to show this little icon for the keyframes in the new clip as well. If I extend that, you'll see that, oh, we have new keyframes at every position where we had originally animated that for. So now, if I was to, say, hide this original clip and play back the new one, you'll see that it's got the exact same animation as the original clip. So that's how you would copy the keyframes from one clip to another for animation. I hope that this trick saves you guys a bunch of time, and I will see you guys in my future video content.